We're pleased to announce the launch of our best ever Level 4 Purée Petite meals. Our new Level 4 Purée Petite products deliver a whole host of benefits to those living with swallowing difficulties. Not only are they safe and nutritious, but we now offer a lot more variety. Now, rice can be something that traditionally is very hard to blend at home or in a care home or hospital kitchen because of its starch content. We've been able to bring that back to the menu and offer some exciting and delicious flavors to accompany it. We've got a beef chili, a chicken tikka masala, and a sweet and sour chicken. And all of them are very balanced and taste absolutely fantastic, allowing more choice and more exciting flavors for those living with dysphagia. We produce all of our meals in line with the framework from IDSI. Our new Level 4 meals are no different to that. We can't wait for you to try these delicious new meals.